Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to do foiling using laminator machine and heat reactive foil that is from Dress My Craft. Is it visible? Yeah, now it is visible. It is a heat reactive foil of Dress My Craft. If you want to purchase, the link is given below in the description box. So we are going to do foiling on the vellum paper and on the acetate sheet. You must be wondering how did we print on the transparent sheet and such a thin quality paper. So we have used a laser printer for such kind of printing. So now we'll turn on our machine and wait until it turns green. While the machine gets heated, let's take out the foil and cut it according to the area where we want to get it foiled. Now we'll take out one piece of foil paper and measure the area where we want to get it foiled and cut it properly so that it is properly attached on the paper. Now we'll properly stick the foil with the vellum sheet using paper tapes, and we'll just put it on the edges so that while removing the tape the paper does not tear down. To show you that how we can do foilings with different color at a single time, we are using another heat reactive foil that is of golden color, and we'll now place it on the area where we want to get it foiled and cut the foil paper. We'll now again stick it on the area where we want the golden color to appear. And now you can see that our vellum paper is ready, and we can also see that the light has turned green. That means our laminating machine has been heated. We'll now just put the paper on the opening of the laminating machine and wait until the machine takes it itself. We can see that the paper is coming out through the other side, means the sheet is getting laminated or heated. We'll repeat this process 2 times so that the foil gets properly stick to the vellum paper. So now we have taken out the paper and just see how it came out to be. The pink color foil has been properly foiled and stick to the vellum sheet and giving the beautiful texture. Oh my god, look at this golden foil paper. It looks so beautiful. It's so shiny, and every font has been properly foiled with the golden and pink foil. It looks so beautiful. Now we'll do foiling on the acetate sheet. Let's choose colors. I think I'll go with the bronze color. Yeah, bronze color is my favorite. I mean every color is my favorite, but bronze is something different. It's a different color. It's a rich and gives a beautiful look to your projects. So it is a 12-inch reactive foil, and now we'll cut it according to our acetate sheet. Since we have got a proper size of our foil paper, now we'll just properly stick it again with the white paper on the edges. Now we'll just slightly slide in our paper until it comes out from the other side of the laminating machine. While doing this on the acetate paper, remember that you don't have to repeat this process. You have to just slide in the acetate sheet for a single time only, because it's a transparent sheet, and for the second time it might get melt down in the laminating machine. Now we'll just slightly remove our tape and wait for the results. You can see Oh my god, now you can see how beautifully they have foiled on the acetate sheet. It has transferred, the foil has transferred on the acetate sheet on the words which we want to get it foiled. Can you see it, guys? Wow. Let me just remove the tape. I'm very kind of messy with the tapes. Can you see it, guys? Each and every word has been foiled, giving it a lavish, a rich look to your fonts. You can do anything. You can make beautiful cards with the acetate sheets using these foil, heat reactive foils, using acetate sheet, your vellum sheets, plain paper, anything. How beautiful they look. See, I'll show you both of them, the acetate sheet as well as the vellum sheet. Every font has been foiled. Not a single word that has been left. It is so beautiful. If you liked our video and want to see more such tutorials, then follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Till then, bye bye.